Web design is broken, but with a little bit of super glue and some TLC, I'm pretty sure we can fix it. Your website is a conversation. So this is really guiding how I'm thinking about websites, and it's a thing that I want to share with you as well, because if you're starting in the process of having a new website built, or if you've got one currently and you're wondering what to do next, I think this way of thinking can really help you guide what to do and how to do it. What do I mean when I say your website is a conversation? Well, this came from a consultation that I was having with some prospects, and they were showing like that they had the same frustrations that a lot of people have when they're buying websites. They didn't really know where to start. There was a lot of terminology that they weren't too sure about, and they weren't sure what to do with this kind of strategy and that kind of strategy. I said, like, look, forget about this term and that term and all of these other things. These are just features. Focus on what kind of conversations you want to have with your customers and with your prospects. What key things happen in those conversations? What are the common questions that people have? What are the points where they're most likely to buy? Where do they need more information? If we can map out that conversation or those conversations, then that will serve as the structure for your website. And this really helped them understand not only what things they wanted to say on their website, but where their website sits in that chain of conversation. They generally meet their prospects in real life, and the website kicks in after they've got to know each other, built up a little bit of a relationship, introduced their products and services, and then that person now wants to go and do their own research, make up their own mind about whether these guys are the right fit for them. So I put it to you, what kind of conversations do you want to have with your customers and with your prospects? Write that down on a piece of paper, all the different conversations you can think about, and then at each point, pull off, like, where do frequently asked questions come in? Where is the best point for you to ask them to get in contact or check out, donate, whatever it might be? If you think about your website in terms of the conversations that you have, well, then you're gonna have better conversations with your clients, with your customers, with your prospects. And that is gonna be better for business. My name is Aaron Taylor. I'm helping you to make better decisions and have better conversations when you're buying a website. Till next time.